guys, so we already went through TSA, and whew, that was a task. When you're traveling with a baby, trust me, it's absolutely crazy.
Spent months in the corner, just me and my bag. I'm used to this, I'm numb to that. I know I just gotta adapt. Hey.
My wife just got finished with her semester at college, so there's no better way than to surprise her with a trip to Jamaica. So we're heading to Jamaica, and right now we're heading over to the B terminal to check out the new Amex lounge they now have in the B gate.
Let's wait on your Spotify rap. The messages you about to send on the 16, please don't hit send on none of that. There's no need to check what the temperature is, you know what it is.
So this is the look inside the brand new Delta Amex lounge. It looks absolutely amazing. The views are great. You have these pods where you can literally take your time. You have this amazing view of the planes through here. Now, remind you, if you fly through SLC, this is the B terminal. This is brand new, and so it looks absolutely beautiful. Definitely recommend coming here. It's way less crowded than Terminal A is. Terminal A is always full. Sometimes the food's mostly gone, so it's super good to just have the peace and the tranquility of what a lounge is supposed to be. So that's exciting. I'm gonna grab me some food, see what they have.
If you double back, should've put another blade in my bag, should've stood over and double tap. Bank withdrawal, need a duffel bag. What is the offer they said? What did they
Feel about going to Jamaica for the first time? You excited? So we're currently here, sitting in the Amex lounge. This is gonna be a long flight. We're gonna fly to Atlanta, which is 4 hours, and then we have a layover in Atlanta. We get there, and tomorrow morning we leave like after 2 or 3 hours in Atlanta, and then from Atlanta to Montego Bay, which is probably the best route that you can honestly take. So yeah, I'll be super excited. The views from this airport is absolutely stunning. Salt Lake City always has one of the best airports in the country, I feel like. I mean, look at that gorgeous view. So right now we're currently in the A in Atlanta, waiting for the next flight. Chilling in the Delta Lounge. Got another flight coming up pretty soon, but you guys have to see this view. Nothing better than the Atlanta air, so I'll be heading out super soon, and then I'll let you guys know what's up. So look out for that coming soon.
Night, night, night. It's night time, I'd have to sleep on the leads. Oh God, yo, damn, go to wait for me, wait for me. So them know I got the sauce already, and I talk about money, don't call me, tell it. She like the way me chop the beat, she love the dog melody. And when she see me, say she feel one ass energy. She did that look for me, but it be my pass already. The boy slippery, me no girl can't go study me. And me up there, I beat one part. And they see me, say fit up the rum talk and go call it lyric. I enter ball body fee, but she half is me. That little girl I got a...
The Blue Lagoon, welcome. It's one of Jamaica's most prized possession and national treasures. 230 feet deep. You have hot and cold water just from the volcanic activity down below. Absolutely a good vibe. So we're gonna head out in it and have a good time.
Milliana, it's been so long since you texted me. I finally took a break and now I feel like I'm on ecstasy. You said what my work means to me will one day be the death of me. They tried to kill me once, but darling, you just resurrected me. Reach me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me, baby. I'm so green, you gotta teach me, baby. From Vancouver, you a BC, baby. Pull up, play back, beep, beep, baby. And my shit came with the heat seats, baby. Swear my label gotta free me, baby. Blow on me just just like some green tea, baby. Hey, hey, hey. Buried alive, someone come dig me up. If I call up your shorty right now, she picking up. You boys got big on my name, that's big enough.
This beach has been one of the best beaches that you have never been to.
They say that karma could take an eternity. Yours is dropping the same night as me. Funny thing is that they ain't gon' compete. You gon' get yours while I'm doing me. You gon' get yours while I'm doing me.
Hey Johnny, shut the fuck
Teach
up.
me, baby.
Any tips? The diving tips? Keep your hands straight. Okay, alright.
And I just stand there. Been a while since I heard my voice.
You know I don't speak too much. Walk like I don't speak too much.
Okay, you know I'm coming. Let me ride around you, let me ride around you. The Jones, you know I'm coming. Let me ride around you, let me ride around you.
A lot of people ask me on a day-to-day basis, why not come to Jamaica more? Why not enjoy your country? Why not be here to listen? It's beautiful. It's amazing. One of the best places on earth, but you gotta have your money. So that means you gotta work hard. Enjoy any of this. You gotta leave, you gotta be in the cold, you gotta be in the desert, and you gotta drive. Just to make sure that you can enjoy all of this right here. That is the true Jamaica that no one speaks about. As they say, black men can't swim, so we got the best on, right? You can float. You're making me sink. This beautiful little baby.
It's so pretty.
Wow. It took like fetching 3 seconds to get done. I was like, when am I gonna hit the fetching water? I had to close my eyes.
Yeah.
I think you should totally try it.
I don't know.
Please, why?
Because if there's rocks at the bottom.
There's no rock. It's really deep. It's really deep right
I'm
now.
good.
Lift it up. So good, can't get enough. Too bad, can't lift it up. I got that. Back it up and dump it. Back it up, dump it. Back it up, dump it. Back it up. Too bad, can't lift it up. So good, can't get enough. Too bad, can't lift it up. So good, can't get enough. Say me can't lift it up. Lift it up. So good, can't.
Well, so that was just a small adventure into the Blue Hole, and it was absolutely amazing, absolutely beautiful. Definitely what I expected. So now we're gonna head back, grab some lunch, and then get the hell out of here. So I'll see y'all in the next one.
Guys, so got me this time. I gotta say, Jamaica is beautiful, but it is overwhelming. But man, we just went to Blue Hole and we went to the Blue Lagoon, two of the most beautiful places I've ever seen in my entire life. Okay, we don't have that where I come from.
I be real cautious.
All of my work to you the hardest.
All of my words to you the hardest.
Wanna be calling, but I'm guarded.
I be real cautious.
Whenever the rain fall in August,
Maybe it's calling.
if I'm honest, wanna be calling, but I'm
People, so we're out here, Chaka Adventures. My wife is wearing the camera right now, so if she stands back, you can see all the chaos going on. But yeah, it's alright. I'd save your money just buy an ATV. You feel me? Low key.
All of my work to you the hardest. Wanna be calling, but I'm guarded.
Okay guys, I didn't vlog for the last part of the trip because we're just having so much fun and chilling. Currently in Club Mo Bay, and the Amex Lounge and Centaur Lounge need to take notes from Club Mo Bay. Like, the food is amazing. Matter of fact, I might go over there and show you all the food. But this is the lounge. It's pretty sick. You even have a kid play area if you have kids, which is pretty sick. It's literally over there. Anyways, let me take you around and show y'all what they got to eat. Pork, yeah, so I'm gonna make me a plate later after I kind of chill out and rest, and then I don't want to get too full before the flight though, because I'm gonna be out like a light bulb. Like, I'm gonna probably sleep through this entire flight. So I mean, it is what it is. Had an amazing trip to Jamaica. I absolutely love it here, man. The family loved it too, so cannot complain. So I'm back in the US. Peace out until then. Keep the vlog going until I'm actually back home. Okay, peace guys. Okay guys, 12 hours later we are back in Salt Lake City. And this is the end of the vlog. Hope y'all had a great time. Enjoy the shots. Crazy trip. Looking forward to taking you guys on many more trips. So until then, see you in the next one.